Hey, Stellar Stars, it's Miss Anderson. How are you? I'm so excited to launch our official day of Google Classroom. This is the day that we are going to be officially starting and practicing looking online at our lessons. It's just an awesome, neat experience. So I'm excited for that. I know I've been calling you my Stellar Stars a long time. You're not only a Stevenson star, but you're a stellar star, and that will go with you forever in your life. Let me tell you a little bit about this idea and the connection here. There's an old story, an old legend called the Starfish story, and it's in different versions. There's one where there is a little child and he's throwing starfish back into the ocean, and then this one though is about an old man who does it. And when I first heard about this story, it was the old man because my principal at the time, Miss Basigalapi, this was 30 years ago, she told us this story because we were the Stevenson Stars. And even back then, we've been the Stevenson Stars for 40 years now, plus I think, 40 years plus. So she told us this story, and it really makes a connection between the old man and a teacher and the way she feels about her kids. So I'm going to read this story to you. It's told a lot with the little child. So this one was one, and they kind of did something different with it. They made it where it's like happening right now. It's not in past time or past tense. It's happening right now. So I'm going to read this story to you, the Starfish story. A young man is walking along the ocean and sees a beach on which thousands and thousands of starfish have washed ashore. Further along, he sees an old man walking slowly and stooping often, picking up one starfish after another and tossing each one gently into the ocean. "Why are you throwing starfish into the ocean?" he asks. "Because the sun is up and the tide is going out, and if I don't throw them further in, they will die." "But old man, don't you realize there are miles and miles of beach and starfish all along it? You can't possibly save them all. You can't even save 1/10 of them. In fact, even if you work all day, your efforts won't be making any difference at all." The old man listened calmly, and then he bent down to pick up another starfish and threw it into the sea. And he said, "It made a difference to that one." All right, so always, everything that we do for you as your teacher, I feel like my connection is I'm the old man and I'm teaching you. So you're always my stellar stars. I want you to know that we can all make a difference. And we've talked about that before at school, but we really can. And so I wanted to share this story with you so you know what the connection is on why I call you a stellar star. When I go and call you a stellar star, you're so special to me, and I wanted you to know the story behind this, and just know that every one of you, I hope to make a difference, and you can make a difference too. So this was my story that I was going to share. This is the version of what a teacher feels like. So then on the other video, it's from, if you'll watch that little clip, it's from a video about kids, and they're throwing the starfish back in, and it talks to you about some things. So after you listen to that, I want you to really think about how you can make a difference, because you can make a difference. Y'all are my stellar stars, and no matter where you are, you can make a difference in someone's life. All right, so I'm excited that we're going to get started, and I'll see you next time. Y'all have a good day. I love y'all. Bye-bye.